Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make an avocado keychain crochet. First, gather your materials. You'll need green, brown, and cream yarn, a 5mm crochet hook, and some fiberfill stuffing. Don't forget a yarn needle for assembly, a pair of sharp scissors, and a small keychain ring to complete your adorable avocado. This project is perfect for anyone looking for a quick and fun crochet craft. Let's begin by crocheting the 2 green avocado halves. Using your green yarn and 5mm hook, create a magic ring and work single crochet stitches in a continuous spiral. Increase your stitches evenly in each round to gradually form a flat, circular shape. Aim for each half to be about 2 inches in diameter before fastening off. Remember to make 2 of these. Next, we'll create the avocado pit. With your brown yarn, crochet a small, flat circle, similar to the green halves but much smaller. Once the pit is complete, use your yarn needle and cream yarn to securely stitch it onto the center of 1 green avocado half. Lightly stuff the avocado with fiberfill, then carefully single crochet the 2 green halves together around the edges, leaving a small opening for the keychain ring. To finish your adorable avocado keychain, securely attach the keychain ring to the top loop of your crocheted avocado. Then, use your yarn needle to weave in any remaining loose ends, ensuring a clean and polished look for your new accessory. Your handmade avocado keychain is now ready to brighten up your keys or bag. For more great deals, and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, be sure to look at the link in the description below. It's a fantastic way to keep your crafting space tidy.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.